Today we will learn how to apply green screen video to another video. First of all, a space clip has been taken here, which is going to be our background clip. And here is a green screen video taken. Now just drag the video and place it above the background clip. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Ultra key. Drag and drop the Ultra key to bring to the green screen video. Now go to Effects Control panel and scroll down. Find the Ultra key controls and select the eyedropper there. Now select the color you want to remove from the video. And this is what happened. Now let's watch this video by playing it. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video. And you can also watch our shorts to know tips and tricks.